Good morning. This is a recording for Friday, February 9th. I received a request to do a few practices that may be supportive on our journey of healing physical pain. So in the next few days, let's just focus on that. Today, we will do a body scan infused with loving kindness. So without any further ado, take a comfortable position. And as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Nice and soft breath, completely natural. There is no need to lengthen your breath or make it deeper. There is no need to watch your breath like a hawk. It's not really about focusing on your breath per se. It's about feeling your body breathe in and out, in and out. As you do this, see if you can find some spaciousness, some freedom in your breathing, allowing all the experiences of the present moment, physical sensations, thoughts, emotions, to flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Now bring your attention to the top of your head, the crown of your head. Silently or out loud, repeat after me. May my head be happy. May it be peaceful. May my head be happy. May it be peaceful. With kindness, focus your attention on your eyes as you repeat. May my eyes be happy. May they be peaceful. May my eyes be happy. May they be peaceful. Now moving your attention to your nose. May my nose be happy. May it be peaceful. May my mouth be happy. May it be peaceful. May my ears be happy. May they be peaceful. May my neck be happy. May it be peaceful. May my shoulders be happy. May they be peaceful. May my arms be happy. May they be peaceful. May my fingers be happy. May they be peaceful. May my heart be happy. May it be peaceful. May my belly be happy. May it be peaceful. May my back be happy. May it be peaceful. May my hips be happy. May they be peaceful. May my legs be happy. May they be peaceful. May my toes be happy. May they be peaceful. Now bring your gentle attention to any area of your body that holds you. Maybe there is pain or discomfort or some kind of ache. And just repeat the same mantra for that part of your body. Do it a few times, 2, 3 times. I'll be silent for a few moments. Now feel the entire body as one field of energy, one radiant sensation. And repeat after me. May my whole body be happy. May it be peaceful. May my whole body be happy. May it be peaceful. Now place your hands on your heart, thanking yourself for doing this exercise, for being here today. Send yourself the energy of gratitude and loving kindness. Repeat after me silently or out loud. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel safe, protected, at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. One more time. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel safe, cared for, at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. And as you gently let go of your practice, as always, briefly scan your body again and notice what's going on for you right now. Physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to come back to this practice over and over again. You don't necessarily have to do it in its entirety, but whenever you notice that there is some physical pain or discomfort present, or if you notice that you start badgering your body for not doing well, not being strong enough, or thin enough, or flexible enough, or whatever, something not enough, lend gentle attention to that part of your body, your whole body, and repeat the mantra we used today. And see if it somehow changes your experience. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a lovely day, and I will see you tomorrow.